Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of Dr. Seuss's birthday, I want to show you guys how to draw the Cat in the Hat's hat. Now, to begin with this, you want to start a little bit towards the bottom of your paper, and we want to make a nice big oval shape. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a nice big oval, and I'm drawing this kind of at an angle, so that's not like straight across, but it's more at an angle. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve across and come right to here. And that's just going to be like the little side of the hat. Now, inside of here, I want to draw a smaller oval like this, and this is just going to be the little hole in the hat where your head goes. Now, starting right here, what I want to do is I want to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to curve over here. And then starting here, I want to draw another line that's going to curve up, and it's going to stop right about there. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of come down, it's going to curve over, and then come right into here for the hat. Now we want to add some lines onto here. So starting here, I'm going to draw a little curved line like this. And then I'm going to add another one right here, so I've got two lines so far. I'm going to add a third one right here. And then I'm going to add one more right here. So I drew four lines all together. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Cat in the Hat's hat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.